When I came here in April wanting to erect a fence, I found some people and I found that the area had been cleared. So I was advised to go to Kilifi County to see the surveyor there who's in charge and the registrar. I did that. And when I went there, the guy who was there in charge, by the name of Zorro, told me, you guys go ahead, do what you want to do, put the wall, everything. There's no problem. If anybody comes and says he has another title deed, let him bring it here. So I did that, got the survey again, we came, we put the beacons on two of the properties. Even when the other investors came in April wanting to access their property and see exactly where the beacons are, they were not able to because of the threat. Now, this is going to drive away investors because even just last month I had a group of Americans here, wanting to invest, and now with this, I'm even afraid. In fact, even just 2 weeks ago, another group came ready to buy. And now if this is happening to me and us Kenyans here, what about the others from outside?